Good morning, students. In engineering thermodynamics, let us solve few problems. So here the problem is during a flow process, 5 kilowatt paddle wheel work is supplied. Okay, 5 kilowatt paddle wheel work is supplied to the system. Work input. So for the system, this work input is 5 kilowatt is given, while the internal energy of the system increases in 1 minute as 200 kilojoule. Internal energy change in internal energy. For 1 minute it is given as 200 kilojoule. So as in the given data, I write like internal energy is equal to delta U is equal to 200 kilojoule per minute. So here for 1 minute it is given, but I have to convert it into kilojoule per second because the work done is given as 5 kilowatt. 5 kilowatt means 5 kilojoule per second. So for 1 second it is given. So here also internal energy, while substituting in the equation, all the units would be same, then only we can able to add or divide anything. Okay, so for that, if the work done is in kilojoule per second, delta U should be also in kilojoule per second. For that I convert it into kilojoule per second. For that just I divide into 60, I got as 3.33 kilojoule per second. And also in the given 5 kilowatt paddle wheel work is supplied, that means heat work input. Okay, 5 kilowatt paddle wheel work is supplied into the system. So work input means it is negative sign. Okay, that's why in the given data, work done I note it as minus 5 kilowatt. So work input means minus, work out means plus sign. That's why I put as minus 5 kilowatt. Find the heat transfer while there is no other form of energy transfer. So here in this system we have to find the heat transfer. So heat transfer means, how we can find means, we can use the first law of thermodynamics, which relates heat transfer, internal energy and work done. So our formula is Q is equal to W plus del U. So W means work done, it is given minus 5. Delta U is internal energy, change in internal energy, which is 3.33. So we will got the value as Q as minus 1.67 kilowatt. So here I got the answer in negative value. So the Q is in negative value means, so heat is removed from the system. Heat out means negative sign, heat input means positive sign. That's why in the answer it is given as minus, we got as minus, so the heat is removed from the system. Heat is output from the system. So we got the answer for that heat transfer. Let us solve another problem. A liquid of mass 18 kilogram. So mass is given 18 kilogram of a liquid is heated from 25 degrees centigrade to 85 degrees centigrade. So initial temperature 25 degrees centigrade, final temperature I am going to heat. Okay, final temperature is 85 degrees centigrade. How much heat transfer is required? Assume Cp of water as 4.2 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. So how much heat transferred while heating? So initial temperature given, final temperature given, between the temperature how much amount of heat is applied into the system. So here Cp is given, so constant pressure process it is given. Okay, so we know the value of heat transfer formula is mCp T2 minus T1. Okay, heat transfer relation. Okay, amount of heat transferred is equal to mass into specific heat capacity into temperature difference. So just I substitute here. So given data, temperature is given in degree centigrade. So in order to convert it into Kelvin, I have to add 273. with it. So I got T1 as 298 Kelvin, T2 as 273 Kelvin. Because while substituting in the formulas, we have to substitute only in Kelvin scale. So I substitute here. Q is equal to mass is given in kilogram. Cp value is kilojoule per kilogram. And temperature difference, I got the answer as 4536 kilojoule. Then let us understand another problem. During the compression stroke of a reciprocating compressor, compression stroke of a reciprocating compressor, the work done to the air in the cylinder is work done to the air in the cylinder. So work is done on the air. So the work is supplied into the air. Okay, compression stroke, work is done to the air. To the air means, so work supplied. So it is negative sign. It is given as 95 kilojoule per kilogram. It is given in kilojoule per kilogram. Specific work done. So it is, as it is in work input, I put it as negative sign. Then and 43 kilojoule per kilogram of heat is rejected to the surrounding. So heat is rejected to the surrounding. So from the system it is rejected to the surrounding. So it is heat is output, heat output to the system. So it is minus. So heat output means the negative sign. So it is minus 43 kilojoule per kilogram. Determine the change in internal energy. We have to find the change in internal energy. Here also we can make use of the first law of thermodynamics relation. Q is equal to W plus del U. Then we substitute the values of Q, W, and we will get the value of delta U as 52 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay.